Welcome back to DRXAutomobi. If the standard G-Wagon is a statement, then this is a shout. This is the 2025 Brabus 800, based on the brand new facelifted Mercedes AMG G63 for 2025. Brabus has taken the legendary boxy silhouette and turned it into a high-performance sculpture. Visually, it's defined by the Widestar body concept, a full carbon fiber conversion that adds 4 inches of width to the car's stance. From the massive power dome hood to the roof-mounted LED light bars and that signature illuminated grille, every inch of this SUV screams supercar. It's designed for the 1-second woo and instant impact that leaves no doubt about who owns the road. Underneath all that carbon fiber is the heart of a predator. Brabus has re-engineered the 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, now assisted by a 48-volt mild hybrid system. With the B4OS 800 performance kit, this beast produces a staggering 800 horsepower and 737 pound-feet of torque. Despite weighing nearly 3 tons, the Brabus A800 will rocket from 0 to 60 in just 4.0 seconds flat. And it doesn't just go fast. It sounds like rolling thunder. The new stainless steel sport exhaust features actively controlled flaps and rocket launch, ambient lighting inside the exhaust tips, because at this level, even the smoke needs to look good. Step inside, and you leave the rugged world behind for a masterpiece sanctuary. The 2025 interior is a sea of Mondial black leather with seashell diamond, quilting and heritage double B embossing. Brabus has replaced every plastic surface with carbon fiber or high-grade Alcantara. You're also getting the latest MBUX digital dashboard, but with custom Brabus telemetry that monitors your V8's vitals in real time. Whether you choose the super black, the mean green, or the deep blue edition, you aren't just buying an SUV or commissioning a piece of automotive jewelry. Starting at roughly $550,000, the 2025 Brabus 800 is the ultimate expression of more is more. Don't forget to like and subscribe to DRXAutomobi as we take this 800 horsepower icon for a midnight drive.